lalaeg English news. Today's news is cell phone repairman. It happened in Mapogu last month. A woman had her Samsung phone repaired, and the repairman took the phone to his own home and looked at the pictures and other private information for over an hour. Samsung said it was an employee's mistake and offered her to give a new phone as compensation. The woman rejected the offer and demanded a sincere apology and measures to prevent a recurrence. Netizens say that it is not an employee's mistake but a crime, and that the employee must have been doing such things not only this time but also continuously. lalaeg English news. This is Stephanie.